Hi, this is Helen here with another quick win video to help you save time, save money and just save stress in your small business by using tech. So are you still using Excel or another spreadsheet or a notebook for doing your bookkeeping? Well, I did for a long time. I'm embarrassed to admit it. I should have known better. And so I was using Excel for my bookkeeping. I was doing invoices in Word, and if I'm honest, the reason why I didn't switch soon enough is because I thought it would be really complicated from a sort of bookkeeping accounting point of view to work out what I needed and to switch over to a new system. Massive false economy. If you're doing this, just stop now. Because what I was saving in terms of time in setting this up, I was wasting almost monthly in doing my books in the most complicated possible way. So this is the one thing where it will make a massive difference if you stop now and you put some time into this to save you a load of time down the line. So if you're not sure where to start, I am not the best person to talk to. You really need somebody with some bookkeeping knowledge or an accountant, but bookkeepers are a good place to start because they tend to be less expensive if you're a small business. I had a bit of advice from a bookkeeper and I switched over to the bookkeeping software that's built into Starling Bank. Now that won't suit everybody. It worked for me because I already had a Starling business account. There are plenty of other tools you can use if that doesn't work for you, but my needs were quite simple. That fits the bill for me and I'm perfectly happy, and my books take far less time than they ever used to do. So if you've already switched over, fantastic. Please do keep an eye on my next video in the series for something else that could save you a load of time in your small business. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. For more tips, templates and checklists, go to my free business toolkit, which you can find at speedydigital.co.uk/courses.